Welcome to all to our weekly forecast session. In this session, we will analyze some major currencies pair. Here we can see the downtrend is going on. As current market is on major support zone. We are expecting that downtrend will continue. After this pullback, we can expect a down move from this resistance zone. As the trend is running in down direction. Currently market is near to major significant support zone. We can expect a bull move from this major support zone. But wait for bullish evidence before taking long position. If market doesn't make any bullish evidence on this support zone, so ignore this setup. As we know, the trend is down. Market has broken the major support zone. And there is breakout of descending triangle pattern also. Wait for market to come down, and after weak retest we will take short position. As we can see, trend direction is down. And the market was reacted from the support zone. We are expecting bull move in this week. Market formed a morning star candlestick pattern on support zone. And after some pullback, we can see bull move. In H1 time frame, trend has changed. And market braked its trend line. Wait for pullback on this support zone. Wait for bullish evidence on this support zone before taking long position. As the major trend is down. And market has broken this consolidation. Wait for pullback on support zone. And after bullish evidence we will take long position. As we can see, our weekly trend is up. And currently market is on major support zone. This is a SL hunting. In H4 time frame, market braked its resistance zone. And market braked its structure also. Wait for pullback on support zone. And after bullish evidence we will take long position. As trend is running in down direction. And market is near to its major support zone. Wait for market to come on support zone. And after bullish evidence we will take long position. Don't forget, our major trend is still up. Recently market has broken its major support zone. Wait for pullback. And after weak retest we will take short position. Current trend is in up direction. And market is on major support zone and rejecting from the zone. We are expecting bull move from this major support zone. But we should wait for bullish evidence before taking long position. As we can see, market was rejected from the major support zone. Market has broken its previous higher low. Wait for pullback. And after bearish evidence we will take short position.